So hello friends, say goodbye to the duplicate by using the Excel 365 new formula unique function. By this way you make your spreadsheet faster, efficient by removing the duplicate, summarizing the data in just a one click. It's a dynamic function. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So what is unique formula? This, as a name suggests, it will give you the list of unique value out of the main database. You don't have to create any pivot table or anything. You will get the data. So we will learn how to do that. I have one database where I have a vendor name, PO number, currency and amount. Right now I required only, suppose I'm just hiding this is the database of vendor and amount. I required the vendor name and amount here without using any pivot table. So for that I use the formula called unique. Here I will type the unique. I want to get the array of the unique, so I have to select the area from which I want the unique list. So I will select this all list where the vendor names are this, press bracket, close and enter. See the magic. I get the all the vendor list. Any new vendor added, suppose version 1 is added, it is automatically get added. If any new is removed, automatically is removed. So it's a dynamic function. So I see I just enter the formula in one cell, in other cell it just spill over. If suppose something is written it here, it will give spill error, means there is something in the formula. So we have to check is there any hindrance in the formula, so we have to remove this. We get the formula. Now for getting the sum, I have to just press formula sum if s. Here the range is sum range, so I want this sum range is the amount. F4 comma, here I have a criteria range, so I want wherever this vendor name is matched, so I get the value of that. So for that my criteria range is this value. So generally range means the larger area where you want to search, and your criteria is Berger. So sum if S formula has a multiple criteria, so you can use any other criteria also. Right now I have one criteria. If I just press enter, I will get this list. But now this is not the way. We are in Excel 365. So instead of writing the formula this way, you have to type same formula again, sum if s, sum range. My criteria is this. Now here I have to refer this unique formula because check this is the formula here I mentioned. So for referring this, selecting this cell, then I have to press hash key. See, as soon as I press hash key, the whole formula gets selected. So when I press enter, see the magic. The formula is auto get updated. Any new vendor adding here, automatically get my sheet updated. So it's like a magic. So one more area where I'm using that formula is, suppose I have to get the list of currency total. Suppose I have this table, I have this amount is in the multiple currency. So if I require this in the multiple currency, so here simple formula, I will type the unique currency. I get the list of currency and the amount is, I have already told you, you will type sum if, sum range. Here my criteria is I have to match it with the currency, so I will use this currency. And same way I will refer this formula with a hash key, so I can refer all the dynamic formula with a hash, enter, I get the result. So hope, all one thing I just mentioned about unique formula is unique. Suppose you want to unique distinct value, so you can use this formula as a unique array is this version, comma, here return unique column, or right now the by default it is by the column. Now here is the return item that appear exactly once. Suppose I want only the item that appear only once, so I will type true, or I can type 1 also. If I press enter, so I will get the list of the name which are appearing only at one time, so I can get this also. So this is called unique list also, unique list one time. So I can also get this. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video.